Caroline.
And I'm Jeanette.
And we get asked all the time about this Beachbody coaching thing and what it is. So we've got some bullet points that we're going to review with you. As you know, Beachbody is a highly reputable company with products featured on news media, news magazines. Celebrities even use our products. You'll see them on talk shows. You get a 25% commission on any sale from your site, whether you've bought anything or not. There is absolutely no pressure to make a sale or increase rank unless it's something that you want to do. If you want to work your business, if not, then that's cool too, which I like because I'm not a salesperson.
Yeah.
And when I started, that was a big question for me. Do I have sales? Do I have to hit a quota? The answer is no, unless you want to. A team cycle bonus, which is paid out weekly if you decide to build a team. You get 25% off all your products and your programs, as well as the first access to our new products and programs as they come out. We have free trainings, free webinars, and conference calls that you can plug into if you choose to work your business and you want to learn how to become successful. Your coach would be your mentor. If it were me, I would be your mentor, or Jeanette. And what we're there for is, if you have any struggles or any questions, we're there to help you through it, as well as you have a huge a secret team page where it's just the most uplifting, positive place that you could ever imagine being in, and you just kind of got to experience it to know it. So
awesome. Not only that, no stocking of product, no shipping fees, or you don't even have to deal with customer service issues. No need for home parties unless you want, but it's not necessary. And not only that, you have a huge system of coaches online waiting to help you. It's like you have a whole new family.
you do.
And the startup fee is only $39.
$39.95. $4 more.
$39.95. And then after that, it's $15.95 for your website fee. So you're running a business for $15.95 a month. That's it.
It's pretty amazing.
It's amazing. And there's incentive programs to get customers assigned to you. So it's
leads,
free money.
The people that call the 800 numbers, they get assigned to you. It's pretty neat.
You can cancel at any time, which we don't want you to, but for whatever reason, if you decide to go in a different direction,
you won't.
You're no obligation to stay. And if you do decide to cancel, there are no penalty fees at all. Nothing like that.
Nope. And two other things really quick that we want to touch on is if you're an active military, you don't pay the $39.95 and you don't pay the $15.95. As well as if you've ever purchased a challenge pack, which is a program, let's say T25 and Shakeology. If you've ever purchased that in the past, you can become a coach free. You don't have to pay that $39.95. So that's it. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, reach out to us or to your coach. And you just ask away. We've got an amazing community, and we'd love you to be part of it.
That's right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.